How to note when a date is approaching in your IELTS exam. IELTS section 1 is a conversation where exchange of information is usually taking place. Here someone might be booking an exam, booking an appointment, or discussing about the time and the date. Dates can be an easy way to score a number in IELTS listening, but they can turn into a problem if you are not ready when a date is approaching. So we'll discuss in this short that how and when to identify when the dates are approaching and you are required to note down a date. So before it becomes tricky, let us discuss how and when to expect the date is approaching. There would be 3 clues in your examination from which you can have an idea that you'll have to note down or jot down a date in your notes, or you have to type that on your computer. On your paper, there would be written date of birth, date of examination, date of appointment, date of arrival, or even a date of departure. So before even an audio starts, you have a clue that the date would be a part of your examination. Clue number 2 is simply delivered through the audio of the speaker. Here you will have to look for the words that are small connecting words. For example, they can be on, by, before, after, from, until. So if you hear side terms, the date could be the next. Clue number 3 could be simply a sound uttered by the speaker. That could be the 18th, 3rd, 4th. Look for additional sounds that are indicator of a date that I have already mentioned few of them. But it is not that simple. An examiner would set a trap known as correction trap, so for you to miss the original date or the date that is required in an answer sheet. For example, a speaker could say like this: I would like to book the hall for the 15th of November. And the speaker would immediately say in the follow-up that I'm sorry, we are full on that weekend. So how about the 22nd? So here there are technically 3 times mentioned for the booking date. The first, the speaker said, and then there came a rectification that we are booked for the weekend, and he suggested the 3rd date. What about 22nd? So here it was a trap so that you can miss the original date. The third and the important part after noting the right date is how to write the date correctly, and most of the students fail at that. On your screen would be some conventions how to write a date. Go and learn the spellings of all the 12 months so that you are sure during examination that you have put the spellings right. So following these 3 steps would help you securing a number from a date when it comes to IELTS listening examination. Follow these, and for more useful tips, I would request you to follow the channel. Thank you.